Welcome to Kavu Creative. Let us build a geometric floral pattern right now. We will set up a quick grid with a rectangle tool and transform it into an elegant floral shape. This process is very beginner friendly. Let us open Illustrator. To align our petals perfectly, we need that center mark. Simply double-click your artboard tool. Activate the Show Center Mark box and press OK. Then, choose a bright, natural shade to start your flower. Next, select the rectangle tool. Press and hold Alt, then click precisely in the middle. Set the dimensions to 35 by 35 and hit OK. Hold Shift and Alt and drag right to duplicate. Press Control+D once. This completely fills our row of 3 squares. Select all 3 shapes. Hold Shift and Alt and drag them straight up to duplicate the row. Press Control+D twice to create 2 more rows. Now, select all 12 squares. Drag this entire block of squares and position it on the top left side of the center cross. Switch to the Selection tool. Click a square to find the live corners. They appear as tiny dots near the edges. Drag them inward to make it completely round. Now do the same for the next shape. Repeat this across the grid to create your floral petals. Take your time with each shape. Simply grab a rounded shape and center align it to the core of our flower. Let us add color to our design now. Choose the Eyedropper Tool. Use the Control key shortcut to select shapes much faster. Hold Control to select a piece, release it, and pick your color. Repeat this for all 12 shapes. Take your time, coloring the flower beautifully. Now, select everything except the middle shape. Switch to the Rotate tool. Hold Alt and click the center cross. Enter 90 degrees and select Copy. Press Control+D twice to finish the floral pattern. Let us expand all lines and shapes now. Select the whole floral pattern. Go to Object menu and click Expand. Keep Fill and Stroke checked and hit OK. Open the Pathfinder panel and click Divide. Choose the Magic Wand tool. Click the extra outline. It selects everything instantly. Hit Delete to remove it all. And we are fully done. Just look at that stunning design. The geometric floral shape turned out perfectly. A beautiful flower, crafted from simple squares. I hope you enjoyed making this digital flower. Let me know your color combination in the comments below. Do not forget to subscribe to Kavu Creative, and see you next time.